on Mondays overdue, but
I made a whole video, and then my phone was like full storage and it deleted the video. It is what it is sometimes. So here we go, round 2. So I finally got my hands on the long-awaited, I've been on a freaking wait list, Tinted Moisturizer by Miss Selena Gomez for Rare Beauty. Cannot wait to use this. Oh my god. And it came out just in time because I was searching up like best tinted moisturizers, blah, blah, blah. And then she posted this and I was like, are you listening on my phone? Damn, girl. I also finally got the illuminating primer. Every time that I go to any Sephora, it's always sold out. And I made a mistake of not buying it when it first came out. And I really was like, come on, how is it sold out every single time? So Selena, if you see this, please send stuff to Sephora and get it restocked here in Toronto and Richmond Hill, like all of Canada. Please. I'm begging you, Selena, please. Okay, so everything that I'm going to be using today, almost everything is going to be Rare Beauty products because I just want to make sure like everything was put together. And I honestly do have almost everything except for, I think, the lipsticks and maybe, oh, and the bronzer. That's the only one that I don't have yet because the bronzer is new and I don't have it. I don't really do liquid stuff. But anyways, I already washed my face. I'm gonna put on a little tiny bit of a face oil that I have. I bought this from Winners. Only because my skin during this weather in Canada, it's like my worst freaking enemy. And I need to moisturize my face. And I usually put on actual lotion. Like I use the, when I don't wear makeup, my go-to, main number 1 is the First Aid Beauty. I use the First Aid Beauty repair cream because I broke out in hives like almost 8 years ago. Like all over here was red. It was itchy. And I walked into Sephora. I was like, help me. And the girl was like, oh, she's like shocked. She looked at me. She's like, oh my God, okay. And I just like use this literally every day for like 2 to 3 times a day. Like wash your face in the morning, afternoon, and like nighttime, and then do it. And so I put it on, and it literally took a week, and everything was back. And I was like, thank fuck, because I was not about that life. Okay, so we're gonna put on the primer. The packaging is phenomenal and so cute. I mean, look at that. It's so adorable. Okay. I'm gonna put it on like this. It looks like a worm. Wormy worm. Oh my gosh. Wormy, wormy, wormy. Okay. Me putting this on reminds me of I think her name is Glamzilla. I forgot her name. But she always goes, I need to be more gentle with my face. That's literally my life. Oh. Oh. You can literally just wear this by itself. Stop. Look at that glow. What's in it? What's in it? Oh, look at my hand. Yeah. Yep. This is going to be my go-to. Holy shit. What's in here? A weightless primer gel with ultra pearls. Selena. Salalas. Oh my God. I love it. I love it. Oh my God. I almost dropped the tent. Okay, tint type. So I got the color 24N because it's a little bit darker, and in the summertime I get pretty tan. And for the foundation that I have for the liquid light touch, I forgot the name for it, for Rare Beauty, it said my 2 colors were 22W and 24N. And when I went in there, the 22W fit my skin now, but the 24N literally fit it now and will also fit it in the summertime. You know what I mean? So I was like, I will take that. Oh, it also oozes out a little bit. So lilies, please fix that situation. But either way, I don't care. Look at how I'm putting it on. Oh, look at the man. I'm a unicorn. I have never done tinted moisturizer, so I'm just gonna... Should I use one of these brushes? Sure. I'm gonna use one of these. So when you first like put it on, it looks yellow. But I can... Ow! I don't normally use a brush. I use a sponge, but I don't really know the ways of a tinted moisturizer. This is a really horrible brush. I'm gonna tell you this right now. This is a horrifying brush. I need to get a new set of brushes. Okay, so I'm just gonna rub it in my face now, because that brush didn't do it any justice. It literally just... I can't see anything. It is the most natural looking thing in the world. Did I not put enough? Like, am I hallucinating? No, like there's... You can't see well on here, but you can tell my skin color has changed. You know what I mean? Like, it's changed. But... Wow. 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 Okay. I want to try to do maybe a little bit more, because this is from I want to say it's a medium. Yeah, light to medium coverage. So I just want to make sure, like, on my cheeks. Oh, and it has SPF. Just so y'all know. That's why I wanted it. I think I just should have done it with my hands to begin with. Yep. My mistake was using a brush. What do you guys think? I like it. No, I really like this. I'm real vibing with this, Miss Gomez. Real vibing with this. Look at my hands. Oh man, no, but it literally just, it makes your skin like really blurred out. It looks really soft on your skin. Oh my god, I love it. No, okay, I like it. I'm here for it because see this dry patch? Yeah, I've scrubbed at it and it's red, and it's managed to make it fucking less red. You know what I mean? I am gonna do the rest of my face and we'll go from there. Okay, forgot how to do makeup for a second. Okay, so I didn't bring a lot. I'm not gonna do a full face. I have Bliss for blush, so I'm gonna use that. And I have Mesmerize in the highlighter. And I've got Nearly Rose in the eyeshadow. And I've got Nearly Rose in lip gloss. So I'm gonna do that and see how it goes, boo-boo. This, oh man. I can't lie to you. Did it go dry? No, it didn't. There we go. Do one swipe here. Well, actually, I did more than one swipe, but you get what I mean. I'm just gonna tap and blend that right into my face. Ugh. Ugh. I mean... Stop. I love this girl's products. Like, look how beautiful. Are you kidding me? I did the other eye off camera because I'm filming one half here, one half on TikTok. My life is great, fantastic. Now I'm gonna do the blush in Bliss. So again, this is gonna be like a half video. So one half here, one half there. Blob. Blend. Ugh. I love this. Look at, guys, look at this beautiful peachy glow. Okay, both cheeks are done. I put a little bit on my nose just because I can. You can't tell me what to do. Can't tell me what to do. Okay, we're gonna shake the highlighter. So I have the liquid, and I already said it's mesmerized, but I got it. Oh. Selena's, I've said this about every single product, but her highlighter, it is the best natural glow ever. Like, it will blend in like your skin. Like, look, are you telling, hold on, did you see that? I'm yelling. I need to stop yelling. Oh my god. Oh, Selena, I love your stuff. This is not even the end of the video, but I'm doing it anyways. I think I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose. A little bit on my nose. Cupid's bow. Selena Gomez. Look at how beautiful and dewy I look. I'm in love. I'm in love, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm being dead serious, like 130 billion%. The Tinted Moisturizer, that shit doesn't feel like it's on my face. I don't feel like it's on my face. The only thing I can feel that's on my face is the fact that I have a highlighter on my face. That's literally it. But I don't feel anything else. And I think that's what I really, really love about her product, is the fact that it is so lightweight, so easy to use, and you could wear it no matter where you are and just feel like your skin is on your face and not 20 pounds of makeup. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna curl the, oh, fuck. Curl the lashes. My eyelashes are weird. I think because I sleep on this side, these are like nice and up and all firm. This one is straight. So no matter what I do in my entire existence, it's still like that. So, thanks. Also, I forgot to contour. I don't have her contour stick, like I said. So I'm going to use my 𝘋𝘕𝘕𝘌𝘙 one. I really love this stuff. And I just heard that he went like, he discontinued it or something. And I was like, sir, what was the reason? Like, why? I don't put a lot of bronzer on, to be very honest with you. Only because I also have the Tinted Moisturizer on my face, and the whole point of that is to not bother with this. Anyways, that's that. Let's quickly do... let's do my brow really quick. This is just the Essence, is it? Yeah, the Essence Gel. Essence is an amazing product, like amazing company, and people are just sleeping on it because they're drugstore. Like, their stuff is like cheap and good at the same time. So, letting y'all know this now. Me and my thick ass brows are loving it. Okay, so there we go. Brows are done. I don't really do anything to my brows, just so you guys are aware. Mascara time. Is that all I have to do? Yeah, mascara on my lips. Again, Essence. Ah, fuck. I got on my lid. I'll fix it up later. Oh, I got on the other lid too. Why does this... doesn't this happen to anybody else? Because I'm very much so over it. I'm very much over it. Blend out, blend out. Like it never happened. And then I also go in with another mascara, again by Essence. This is the Princess Slash. And just break it up. Again, I got her on my lid. That's that. Now I'm going to my lips, and that's pretty much the gist. This was supposed to be a very simple lip tutorial review, but it took a million years, and I apologize. All right, we're using Newly Rose in the gloss. Oh. And I don't have the spray. The spray is the one thing that I want to get, and it was sold out today, so my life is indeed a joke. Okay, so there's the final look. I'll come back when my hair looks proper. I don't care about my PJs, but my, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Okay, so here, I look a little bit normal now. Guys, I genuinely think this is gonna be my go-to makeup. Like, I can't, even if I don't want to wear makeup, I am going to wear these two together. Oh, sorry. These two together, 130%. Like, are you kidding me? What the hell? It's gonna be these three together. Yes. Yes, these three together. These three together. So it's gonna be very exciting, and I cannot wait. So again, final review. Since I've never done a review on the luminizing primer. Amazing. I love it. For me, I like a little dewy. Not like back in the day where I was like matte everything, matte this, matte that. I love the dewy effect now. And this one, because it has little pearls in it, mwah, chef's kiss. Chef's fucking kiss. And Tinted Moisturizer, I think I personally really loved it. I'm not just saying that because I love Selena. I really like this. It's very lightweight, incredibly lightweight. I suggest putting it on with your fingers. I don't really do brushes. I just did a brush, and it basically took everything away inside the brush. I didn't like that, so I used my hand, and like, it doesn't look like I have anything on my face. It's beautiful. Like, it's amazing. So I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna be wearing this during the summer, and I also have the Fenty one for like the winter time. But this, especially with the SPF in it, if you haven't tried it, I suggest you try it. Tell me what your thoughts are on it. Tell me how you guys feel about it, what you like about it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't have much else to say, except for Selena Gomez did fucking well. Rare Beauty is it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay. Have a good day, guys. Bye.
But I
Caught like everything is new. The sunburst flower.